So I had a heroic business owner and a struggling business owner call yesterday, and basically right out of the gate said, I feel like I'm juggling all of these different things, and sometimes they're fragile. I know I need to make time for what matters most. I want to show you 3 tools right out of the gate for overwhelmed and struggling business owners where you can start to not only build the business systems and processes you need, but also begin to buy back time and make time for what matters most. It's Scott Beebe with Business on Purpose. It's our delight to be able to help liberate you from the chaos of working in your business. So let's dive into the first of those 3 tools. Number 1, and this is one of the most powerful, overlooked tools. It's the power of video. And there's a number of video tools out there. I'm going to show you the one that we use. It's called Loom. And so if you just go to loom.com, this is an incredibly powerful tool. Let me tell you why. As soon as you hit record, this little button up here at the top right allows you to record anything on your screen, or you can just do video only. And so as soon as you record it and hit stop, guess where it goes? Straight to the cloud. There's no uploading, there's no fancy editing or anything like that. You can edit it, of course. You can download it, you can put it into a video editor and do some different things. Heck, you can even trim it out in Loom and do some cool things there. There's one other little feature that's been pretty neat, and it's this, if you see this follow up with us right here, feature, that's what's called a call to action. So when I hit play, so you can see this video moving, I've got the audio turned off, but as soon as I hover over it, you can click that button, follow up with us, and watch what happens. You can take this to any URL you want it to take you to. For us, it takes you to our contact page where you can request a call with one of our team members if you're a struggling business owner. And so using a simple tool like Loom, the other really cool thing, look at that button, copy link. So I can copy that link. I can go into my email, into my messenger app, whatever it is, DM, Facebook, Instagram, however you're going to communicate with somebody, just drop that link in there. It's already in the cloud, and immediately you've got the power of video. The power of video to be able to communicate with people. So that's tool number 1. Tool number 2 is probably the most overlooked tool. I told you that Loom and video in general is pretty overlooked, but this is the most overlooked tool for building processes and business systems in your business. It's a document. That's right, a word processing document. In this case, this is Google Docs. We highly recommend Google Docs because I can have as many people as I want on this document at the same time, and we're all editing different things. So I can be in here editing this right here while another team member is editing right below me. And we're all doing it together. I can see who's in there. We can collaborate by going up here to the share button and collaborate with anybody on our team, anybody outside of our team. We run every one of our templates for our heroic business owners through Google Docs, Google Sheets, the Google suite of products, because it's so simple to do. And that's not a paid ad for Google. It's just a pretty amazing tool. There's some other things within Google that I think are really important for you to understand, not just the docs, but also if you go up here to New, you have access to spreadsheets, Google Slides. And then down here is one of the most powerful ones is Google Draw. Yes, we use that a lot. Let me show you an example. Our master process roadmap, we actually walk every heroic business owner through the process of building out a process roadmap. So this is behind the scenes. This is actually the Business on Purpose process roadmap. I'm showing you behind the curtain so you can see our entire business on one sheet of paper. And then each one of these links actually takes you to a video or a Google Doc or a spreadsheet or a drawing walking you through each step of that particular process. So we have all of our systems laid out right here in just a simple Google Draw. And then so you take a Loom video, or you take a Google Doc or a spreadsheet, or you take a Google Draw and a workflow, you upload it to something as simple as YouTube, and then you backlink it right here, and guess what? Every team member can get access to any process on demand. If you needed to leave the business, or heck, you just want to leave the business for a week and take a break, your team's going to know how to work the business just by using these really, really simple tools. So Loom Video, I know there's others. My new friend Matthew Ray Scott talks about Vidyard as another tool. We've not used it because we've used Loom, but I've heard really good things about Vidyard as well. And then also some of those great tools like Google Docs, Google Sheets. We just had a business owner. If you look at our social media channels for the last couple of days, you can see a business owner has actually used something as simple as Google Sheets, customized it a little bit, and it has changed the game of a multi-million-dollar project management, centered, heavy business. Really, really powerful. So just go to My Business on Purpose on Facebook, and you can check out that video there. Let me see if I can pull this up. Yeah, it's not on this one. But anyway, just go to Facebook and then search My Business on Purpose. You'll see the video from yesterday highlighting that Google spreadsheet with a little bit of customization. So 3 tools: video, something as simple as docs, sheets, slides, whatever, and Google Draw, and you put all that up into a simple YouTube, and you start to have systems and processes. But remember this, go with the systems mindset, and that is this. You don't have to make a bunch of additional time to build systems. Whatever the next thing is that you're about to do, document it, capture it, record it like it's the last time you'll ever do it. And you'll begin to build systems and processes that make time for what matters most and helps guide you to the vision, the mission, and the values that you're hunting for. All right, so let's put it to work. Let's go be liberated from business chaos by building great business systems with simple tools. Check us out at mybusinessonpurpose.com. We'd love to be able to serve you there or connect with you. Just go to the contact form there, and we'd love to be able to have a phone call with you. mybusinessonpurpose.com.